Hello, I'm Rick Parfitt from Status Quo, and this is my telly, my stage telly, which I've had for most of my life. Irreplaceable. If I lost this or anything happened to it, I mean, obviously it's looked after with kid gloves by my guitar tech, and it's just the most wonderful guitar. I string it very heavily, got a 56 bottom E on it, because my main role in the band is to keep the engine room rocking, so the bottom strings are really thick, and it's quite a brute to play. But I had all the bridge modified here, took all the springs and everything off, so nothing moves. Strings come straight down, straight through the body and into there, and you can drop it, you can do what you want with it, and it never budges, it never goes out of tune. It's just the most wonderful guitar. And I think it's about 1959, 1960, and I bought it in Glasgow, I think it was, for 80 quid, which was a lot of money back then. But it has been the most wonderful guitar. I mean, over the years, obviously, I've aged this with my arm. That wasn't age, and I've done that. Because when you start off, if it's too sharp round here, it sounds very Spinal Tap, doesn't it? But if it's too sharp on the edge there, it takes chunks out of your arm, swells up here when you hit it as hard as I do. And so that now is very, very comfortable. And it's just the most wonderful guitar. And I got that off a Meccano set, I think. Is it a Meccano set or a Lego set? For this little wheel here, because it makes it easier. I feel really Spinal Tap. It makes it easier to turn up and down, you know. But there again, with what we do, particularly with what I do, I don't very often turn it down. I turn it up and I leave it turned up, and that's where it stays.